Stand ready for my arrival, worm. You were given orders. You were given time. You were given more leeway than most, and yet I find this planet unprepared for the arrival of our 𝗠𝘁𝘀𝗂𝗿𝗄𝗏 Empire.
This isn't a good time.
The Empire anticipated your resistance, which is why they sent me. I am Conquest, and I am your last chance to fulfill your duty.
Is hit something as hard as I can.
I don't care how strong you are. I don't care how fast you are. I can see the future. You don't live to see tomorrow.